Hi, my name is Raxa from Germany. I'm making a podcast or a vlog about my journey, my fasting journey. I'm starting to fast today, and I'm gonna tell you guys how it works and how it works for me, and if it works for me, and yeah, what are the goods, the pros, and the cons of fasting. It's not gonna be a water fast, it's gonna be a sardines fast. I'm not gonna eat sardines only like others. I know it's a trend, but I want to keep it real. I want to I really do want to fast. So instead of water fasting, I'm gonna eat one of those every day. For me, it's important because I need to get my supplements in. I cannot accept not getting my supplements in my body. I know it's kind of weird. It's neurotic and I'm crazy, but I feel very uncomfortable without my supplements like creatine and vitamin D and all that. So I need something in my stomach where those little guys can dissolve and can work. And that's why I'm eating one sardine box a day. And I started today. And then in the morning, I'm going to have a little bit of cream in my coffee because I cannot go without my coffee, and I need cream in my coffee because I figure that coffee on an empty stomach is really bad. At least for me, it's bad. I really don't handle it that well. I get really bad stomach ache, and I don't want that. So yeah, this is gonna be it. Cream and one thing I will add to my fast also is native olive oil, one shot. I will take that same shot when I eat the sardines because I think my fat soluble vitamins will thank me. So, yeah, that's it. Nothing more, only water, normal water, tap water right now because it's summer in Germany and we have hot weather, which is really not a usual thing here. So I'm drinking water with a lot of ice. I don't know if that's so good, but I am gonna do that. And yeah, I started today and it wasn't very hard as yet. It's 8 p.m. I think it's because I'm in ketosis. I was in ketosis for 2 months. I didn't restrict calories, not at all, but I ate meat and cheese and a little bit salad, and that's it. And I use these stripes, these keto strips. You put urine on it, and then they turn colors. And if it's very, very light, it's you're not in ketosis. You still have carbs in your body. But if they are purple, you are in ketosis. I am purple. Yeah. So everything is good. It really helps and it makes a difference. I can only say it for me, but it was really easy as yet. And I'm gonna tell you something about me. I'm 5.85 tall, and also I weigh pretty lots right now. I weigh, let's see, I weighed myself this morning and it's not good. I weigh 153.4 pounds. So, yeah, I'm a big girl, I guess, but I don't feel uncomfortable in my body, not at all. I only have cheeks, as you can see, I have big cheeks. And I have somewhat arms, big arms, and chubby arms, I guess, but also a little bit thighs. But all in all, I have a pretty decent body. I'm pretty proud of it. It's strong, and also I do some weightlifting, so it's not only fat. I guess it's also a little bit muscles, and that's also a reason why I don't like diets. I like fasting more because presumably fasting helps your muscles stay strong. I mean, it doesn't eat your muscles. So well, we're gonna try that because today, actually, I did some weightlifting and it worked out fine. I mean, I was a little bit injured lately, so I'm starting low again. But I kind of noticed the memory effect. I mean, I'm pretty fast on track again, and I love it. It's the best sport for me, and I think it'll be good to fast in order to keep my muscles safe. Because I know if you just have a normal diet and you restrict calories, I saw some. I read this book from was it Fung? I'm not sure. Where he says that it only gets you down on your daily calories consumption of your body. It doesn't help, and it takes away your muscle mass. And I don't want. I for sure don't want that. So yeah, this is my my way of going around things. I'm not too unhappy with my body, but I really seek autophagy. And since ketosis is so great for me, I figured I'm gonna do fasting now. It's next step. It's gonna be open and fasting. I'm not sure how long it'll go. I mean, it's not gonna be too bad, I guess, because I have this, right. So and the shot, and it's not gonna. I hope it's not gonna kill me. It's not gonna kill me though, and yeah. It's open and fasting. I'm not sure how long I can sustain it. I don't want to. I don't want to be very very thin, but maybe a little bit thinner. So I don't know. Maybe clothes fits me better or something like that. And also, I want the autophagy, as I said before, and yeah, I want to see how my skin reacts to it. I really am very 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 happy with my skin right now. It's because of ketosis. It's everything's perfect with ketosis. Really, it really works for me. Maybe I have allergies again for carbohydrates, because as soon as I take them off my menu, everything works perfect like a machine. Also, my menstrual cycle is perfect now. It was always 3 weeks, and now it's 4 weeks, like it should be. And I don't feel cold anymore. It's every day is warm. I don't need to wear big stuff, and also I don't need deodorant anymore. Everything happened like magic with keto, and I'm on keto since about 2 months, or 2 or 3 months. And as I said before, I didn't lose any weight. So that's the that's my start now. That's my those are my stats, and this is my base, and let's see where it comes from. I'll check if my cheeks get smaller over time, and also if my skin takes it well. We'll check that. I'm gonna do every day a video. I'm gonna check in with you guys, and hopefully I'll have enough followers or subscribers that I can do live streams. Then we can talk while I stream. And also, yeah, well, that's the plan at least. I try to do it every day. If I have something on my business things, I'm probably not gonna make it. But other than that, I'll try, and we'll see where it brings me. Yeah. What else? I think that's about it. My weight. Oh yeah. I was gonna say today with that in my system, I saw only 1 shot of olive oil, a little bit of cream in my coffee, and 1 small box of sardines. I walked about 6 miles, and I did some weightlifting. I think 1.5 hours weightlifting. And other than that, I didn't do much, but I will sing on Smule or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm for a hobby, just to relax a little bit, or play the piano in the back. Something like that I will do today. But my mind was not so clear today, a little bit foggy, but I had some stress in my work life, so maybe that was the reason. So that's about it. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up for today. That's it. And yes, please don't mind my English. It's my second language. I speak German. That's my main language. Okay. See you tomorrow. I hope you're gonna tune in. Yeah, I hope I can only talk about positive stuff, but you never know. It's the start. Yeah, let's see. Bye bye. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.